Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make my headbands. So I start off by going into Cricut Design Space, and then I am going to type out the word spurs. That's what I'm going to put on my headband. And for this one, I'm using this font. I'm not sure which one it is, but you just go into the system and then pick whatever font you want. Oh, I actually changed it. And then I am just sizing down the line space. That way everything's connected. Otherwise, it'll be separated a little bit too much. So I get it to the size that I want. I make sure that all of the letters are connected and then I weld it. Because if you weld it, it's going to cut it out as one word rather than cutting out each individual letter. So now I am sizing it down to the size that I want it. And I try to keep the lettering under 4 inches in width, just about 3 inches, and 2.5 to 3 inches in height. And then I click the little make it button on the top right corner, and I hit the mirror button also. That way the image can be flipped. And once I get that ready, then I'm going to measure out my glitter. So that's what I'm doing right here. And like I said, it's about maybe about 4 inches um, in width and 3 inches in height. So that's what I'm measuring out here. And then I'm going to cut it out and then put it on the little mat. That way it can be cut out. So here I'm placing it on the Cricut mat. And remember, with the flipped images, you want to keep the colored side, which is my glitter side, face down. And then I'm just ensuring that it stays on the mat by scraping it with the little scraper. Now I'm putting it in the cutter and I'm loading the mat in. I just like to keep it there, keep my hand there just to make sure that it does load in all the way. And then I click the little Cricut button in the middle and it'll start cutting out the image or the letters. Now that the Cricut machine is cutting out the letters, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my heat press. And because I'm using glitter, I'm going to move the temp up to 320 degrees. And so I'm going to let that preheat. And now I'm going to weed out the glitter. So I just get a little corner and then I start peeling. And I still kind of peel a little bit slowly just to ensure that the glitter doesn't peel off, the wording of the glitter doesn't peel off with the rest of it. And then I'll go back in with the weeding tool to get the little spaces in between the letters. And now that the heat press is ready, I'm just going to get my headband and place it down. And then I'm going to give it a quick press. For this, I know you don't have to use a Teflon sheet, but I like to use the Teflon sheet every time that I do use the heat press, just to make sure that, you know, nothing's getting melted on top of the heat press. or anything. So I let that sit for a few seconds, and that way it can get all the moisture out. And then I'm placing my lettering on top. And I did notice, I don't know if you guys can notice, I did notice that I forgot to weed out two little pieces on the S, but that's okay. This is my headband. So I go ahead and I place it down where I want it, and then I press it again for, I believe this is 15 to 20 seconds. And again, the temperature is at 320 degrees because I'm using glitter. Now I'm going to release that, and I'm going to peel off the little plastic part, and then to ensure that it does stick and it's not coming off, I'll place the Teflon sheet back on and then give it one last press. And this last press, it's really quick. I do it maybe for 5 seconds. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys like this video. I hope y'all like the headband. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.